Hello and welcome to the video. This is the return of my tier point run. So the first flight is from Maui to LAX. Even though I have a first class ticket on this leg, it doesn't give me any lounge access. But to be honest, these apron views really make up for it. So saying a fond farewell to the wonderful island of Maui and on our way over to LA. Nothing much happened on the trip over, so I think we'll take this opportunity to just jump over to the lounge in LA. So here we have one of the best lounges in LAX, the American Airlines flagship lounge. I did get the chance to look over into the Admiral's Club lounge, and it was absolutely packed with practically no spare seating available. I'm so glad my ticket got me access to this lounge instead. The flagship lounge is much more understated and peaceful, as well as having better food and much better facilities. As you can see, the choice of alcohol was excellent and champagne was available on demand. The buffet was very well stocked and tasty, but you also have the option of the flagship dining area if you want something a little more formal. So, being in California, I just had to try the California rolls. Let's take a quick look at the shower facilities. To To use these, you just need to put your name down in the reception area and they will book you into a time slot. There are 7 shower rooms available, so I'd be surprised if they ever got too busy. As you can see, the quality of everything here is of a very high standard, including a Dyson hairdryer that got exactly 0 use while I was there. So back into the American Airlines Transcon business class seat. So the starter was served just south of Utah, with the main a few hundred miles later. Overall, this was a very good meal that I really enjoyed. On to flight number 7, JFK to London Heathrow. Unfortunately, I was so tired on this leg of the trip that I slept most of the way to London. What I can review though is that the bed was really good and the flight attendant had to wake me only a few minutes before landing. So what was the point of this trip? Well, I got to do 6 business class flights, 2 first class flights, really in name only. I got to use quite a few airport lounges, and I travelled a total of 9,320 miles, or 15,000 kilometres. I also got to stay in some very nice hotels, but the main reason was that I got 925 tier points, which got me most of the way to gold status with BA, which I actually completed only a few weeks later. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I had making it, and I hope to see you again soon.